Everyone, this is Ashmita on this side, and we are going to discuss question number. This is this is the question of: do we know our own minds better than cognitive scientists do? What do you think? Who knows our minds better, scientists or we ourselves? Now, whether individuals know their own minds better than cognitive scientists is a complex and debatable question, of course. So here we can consider some perceptions like first person perspective. We can first consider. Now, individuals have a unique first person perspective on their own thoughts, on their own feelings and experiences. So they have direct access to their inner mental states with which like cognitive scientists do not have. Okay. In this sense, individuals may have an advantage in knowing their own minds intimately, on their own, very privately. They know their own minds. Yeah, next would be introspection. Now, introspection is the process of examining one's own thoughts and feelings. While it provides a direct window into one's own mind, it has limitations. Introspection can be biased, unreliable, and influenced by cognitive blind spots and self-deception. Next would be scientific study. Like cognitive scientists, on the other hand, use empirical methods, experiments, and objective measurements to study the mind. They employ the controlled experiments and the statistical analysis to uncover the patterns and mechanisms that may not be immediately apparent to the individuals. Next would be limitations of self-knowledge. Now, people's self-knowledge can be limited by various factors like cognitive biases, emotions, selective memory. So they may not always have a full and accurate understanding of their own mental processes. Next would be objective versus subjective views. Cognitive scientists definitely aim to provide objective and generalizable insights into the workings of the mind, because they don't give biased answers, right? So while individuals have personal subjective knowledge of their own minds, cognitive scientists seek to uncover general principles and patterns that apply across individuals. Summarizing the entire fact, individuals have unique access to their own subjective experiences, but cognitive scientists bring an objective and systematic approach to the study of the mind. Both perspectives have their own strengths and limitations, and they can complement each other. While individuals may have intimate knowledge of their own minds, cognitive scientists contribute to a broader and more systematic understanding of human cognition through empirical research and scientific investigation. Yeah, so that's it for today's class. Let's meet once again in the next classes.